Welcome to the post-match presentation. The second ODI concludes with a comprehensive win by Pakistan, winning this contest by 8 wickets and also go 2 up in the 3-match series. Now I'd like to start by welcoming and introducing my presentation party, Mr. Atullah Tarer, Federal Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Rear Admiral Fred Sinaviratna, retired, His Excellency, the High Commissioner of Sri Lanka to Pakistan, Ms. Rubina Naz, Regional Head Corporate and Investment Banking, Bank Al Falah, Mr. Sheikh Usman Mahmood, Sales Partner, Vigotel Mobile, Mr. Abdul Wakil, Jazz Business Partner, Mr. Mohammad Amir Aslam on behalf of Inverex Electrical Vehicle, Mr. Syed Hamad Haider, Distributor Hello Hair Shampoo, Mr. Ahmed Khan, Super Distributor Infinity Ventures Super Saf. Now can I please ask Mr. Atullah Tarer to come forward to present the PCB Moment of the Match award to Wasim Jr. A brilliant run out from the outfield, a rocket throw into Rizwan's gloves to dismiss the set Patum Nisanka. Next award will be presented by Mr. Ahmed Khan, who will come forward to present the Super Saf Bowler of the Match award of 1,50,000 rupees to Abrar Ahmed. He's been phenomenal with the ball, 10 wickets in the last 3 ODIs he's played, 3 for 41 tonight as well. Moving on, Mr. Syed Hamad Haider will now come forward to present the Hello Hair Shampoo 100% confidence all-rounder of the match cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Janit Lianage. Brilliant with the bat, 54 of 63, bowled 4 overs for 13 and a brilliant catch to dismiss Fakhr Zaman. Next award will be presented by Mr. Mohammad Amir Aslam, and he will present the Inverex EV Electrifying Batter of the Match cash award, 1 lakh rupees, Babar Azam. 20th ODI, 100 to his name, 102 not out of 119 deliveries, and a wonderful match-winning knock. Can I please now ask Mr. Abdul Wakil to come forward to present the Jazz Superpower of the Day cash award of 1 lakh rupees, once again, Janit Lianage. It goes for that catch, very close in at mid-wicket and took a blinder to dismiss Fakhr Zaman. The next award will be presented by Mr. Sheikh Usman Mahmood, who will present the Vigotel Mobile Master Blaster of the Match cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Fakhr Zaman. Brilliant innings, 78 of 93 in a mammoth partnership with Babar Azam, 8 fours and 198 6 in that innings as well. Now then, the time we've all been waiting for. The player of the match tonight, Babar Azam. He will come forward to sign the bat for Vigotel Mobile Collaboration Project in association with the Almara Foundation. A lucky fan in there to receive that bat from Babar. And Babar, just stay on because Ms. Rubina Naz will now present the Bank Al Falah Player of the Match trophy and cash award of 300,000 to Babar Azam. 20th ODI 100, 6,467 runs in his ODI career, and a century that a lot of Pakistani fans have been waiting for a very long time. We'll have a quick chat with him as well. Babar, 83 innings se Pakistan fans इंतजार कर रहे थे, वो 100 आ गया.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, मैं भी इस चीज़ का वेट कर रहा था और
ये शेयर कर दो.
बिल्कुल अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह का शुक्र है, मैं भी इस चीज़ का वेट कर रहा था. बस ये था कि अपने आप पे बिलीव, अपने हार्ड वर्क पे बिलीव रख रहा था और इस चीज़ का वेट कर रहा था.
बाबर, हमने देखा कि थ्रू आउट साउथ अफ्रीका की सीरीज़ में भी, इस सीरीज़ में भी स्टार्ट्स मिलते रहे, कहीं ना कहीं वो कन्वर्जन नहीं आ रहा. इवन इनफैक्ट पिछले 2 साल में 50 रन होते रहे. किन चीज़ों पर आपने उस काम किया कि उस कन्वर्जन रेट को बेहतर किया जाए?
बिल्कुल, स्टार्ट अच्छा मिल रहा था, पार्टनरशिप अच्छी लग रही थी, रन्स मिल रहे थे, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से जो एक्सपेक्टेशन थी और जो टीम डिमांड थी वो वैसी हो नहीं पा रही थी. और जैसे कहते हैं जब अल्लाह ने लिखा होता है उसना तभी मिलता है, और उसमें सिर्फ ये था कि जहाँ पे मैं आउट हो रहा था, जिस नंबर्स पे आउट हो रहा था, उसमें जाके मोर फोकस हो रहा था. और इंडियन ये था कि मैं कोशिश कर रहा था कि पिच पे जितना टाइम की ज़रूरत है मेरे लिए अच्छा है.
आपने पाकिस्तान के एक ग्रेट सईद अनवर को ओवरटेक किया इन टर्म्स ऑफ इनिंग्स, फास्टेस्ट इनिंग्स जिसमें 20 सेंचुरीज़ की और पाकिस्तान की हाईएस्ट सेंचुरीज़ हैं. बहुत खुशी की फीलिंग होगी.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से जिस तरह لیجنڈس کا میں جو ہے ریکارڈ ٹوٹا میرے لیے آنر کی بات ہے, اور کوشش کریں گے کہ آنے والے جتنے بھی میچز اس میں اچھا پرفارم کریں, اور میرے خیال سے اس پرفارمنس سے جو پاکستان میچ جیتی ہے میرے خیال سے وہ زیادہ میرے لیے عزیز ہے.
Babar, many congratulations. Go well in the next game. Babar Azam talking about that he's worked on the areas where he thought he was getting frequently dismissed. He's obviously gone back and worked on all the other areas. Spoke to him that he was getting starts, but he wasn't being able to convert. Also very happy about going up in the charts to the quickest to 20 ODI centuries, breaking his legend Saeed Anwar's record. Now then, the Sri Lankan captain Charit Asalanka. He'll come forward to have a word. Charit, we all felt like there was maybe a few more runs in that surface in the first innings.
Definitely, yes. I think I'm in the same page. At least 20-30 runs short from us, I think could have done really well, especially the top order didn't fire up again. So I think that was the mistake.
You talk about the top order, but they all got starts, 20s, 30s, 40s. It's about that conversion that isn't happening.
Yeah, in this series, especially that's in these two games, especially that's the case for us. And I think previous tournaments, I think more hundreds scored by our top order, but it can happen. These two games, we're really out of radar.
Now, in the bowling, you did fantastically well in that first game. In the power play, you had Pakistan 28 for 1. Today, the seamers just struggled to find their radar earlier on.
I think so, yes, because a lot of fights and extras in the first 2 overs. I think 2 5 wides in the first 2 overs, and it's really hard to come back again, kind of these wickets. So after I think 10-15 overs, Dew came, and it's still very hard to bowl.
All right then, Charit. Thank you very much for talking to us, and go well for the last game.
Thank you.
Moving on, I'd like to invite the stand-in captain for Pakistan tonight, Salman Ali Agha. 1 ODI as captain, 1 win, 100% record. You must have enjoyed that.
Loved it.
From the balcony, watching on in terms of, because Babar is the highlight tonight, that partnership, big partnerships, first wicket, second wicket, and third wicket, must give you a lot of confidence from the top order.
I think it's a complete batting performance from us. Like from the opening partnership, we had a great start, and then like number 3, Babar came, and then we had a great partnership. We have like 3 very good partnership. When you chasing 280 odd, you need partnership, and we chase it really well.
Break down the game to the first part. You elected to bowl first, and it was important for the bowlers to deliver. Abrar was very good. Haris Rauf again in that wickets. It's what really set the game up.
Yeah, I think it was always a 320, 330 kind of a wicket, and we managed to restrict them on 290. And I was always very, very happy because I knew it 290 is a very, very, very gettable.
What about the crowd in Rawalpindi? The cheers for you guys is always there.
Well, wherever we go, they come in numbers, and especially in Pindi, they always have a house full, and I'm very happy, and hopefully they can come on Sunday as well.
Salman, great result tonight. Go well in the last game.
Thank you very much.
And that's all we have from the presentation.